วัสดีค่ะ I'm Chef Nikky. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you are missing out big time. I am all about feeding your soul through food, culture, and travel, and I've got 3 main areas for you to dive into. First up, my travel playlist takes you on a journey through Thailand and beyond with my travel experience trips. Explore the world with me as we focus on one thing we love, food. From bustling markets to hidden gems, I will show you how food bridges cultures and communities. Then, there's my Thai Takeover series, where I debunk the myth that Thai food is hard to make. It's not. Armed with my signature lines of sauces and a wok, I invade your kitchen to whip up delicious Asian dishes using whatever's on hand. With over 53 episodes and counting, it is a blast you will not want to miss. And don't forget my tips and tricks playlist, where I dish out secrets to mastering Thai cuisine. Ever wondered about the difference between coconut milk and cream? I've got you covered, so you can whip up restaurant quality meals in no time. Plus, check out my hilarious YouTube shorts for quick laughs and hidden tips on navigating Asian supermarkets. From must-have ingredients to quirky finds, I've got all the scoop to level up your kitchen game. So head over to youtube.com/Chef Nikky, hit subscribe, like, and turn on all the notifications. Trust me, you will not regret it. ขอบคุณค่ะ